What's up, y'all? Stunt Ride Season 3. Alright, so I'm about to head to a car show in Brookpark, Ohio at Boss Pro Karting. So we're going to see how that go. I got the cam ready and set in the car. And, you know, if somebody want to try me on the freeway, I'm going to show them what's up. So I'll give y'all that footage. So here we go. Alright, we just made it. I'm going to take my shades off. I'll just do this when I be riding, but it's pretty dope. So, we're gonna walk around, see some of the people, chit chat, network, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna get back to you with it. Damn. Man, if I can get inside this bitch, this is crazy. Got tent. See with Alcazar. Whole interior. This is crazy. They way smaller than I thought. Cause I ain't really been up on one in person. Just seeing riding by. It's dope. This blue is beautiful. Sheesh.
That's some crypto shit for you.
MP412C.
The convertible. I don't remember what it was.
Even the bow tie is hollow on this bad boy for airflow. Canards are crazy. This ain't no hub. Pretty dope. I'll take one of these in my backyard. Shit. Alright, these are kind of small too, I see.
Yeah, it's running loud underscore.
Everybody got sent. I respect it. I just want to see the interior. At least you get to see the V12 shit. Got the Lotus. It's crazy because you gotta stay out everybody's way, and everybody want to stay out your way, respectfully. It's funny as shit, though. I used to think these were the shit back in the day. Like, this is the end all be all for the money, but shit crazy. This is my first low model car. That shit is crazy. I'm gonna get out this gentleman's way right fast. Damn. Back then, you didn't know how basic it was, but it was fucking raw machine. This is crazy. Interior's trash, but you know, it's whatever. What, this is like a 91 or something. That's wild. Okay, this one interior ain't so bad. I think it's a newer one though, definitely. I'd get a newer one. I wouldn't get an older one, but they pretty dope. The Vet is the better car for the buck. Y'all know I'm in love with the Vet, y'all. Yeah, it sounds hectic because it is hectic. Actually, this dude looks like he about to leave the parking spot with the Vet, so I'm about to go park next to some CE check it. I'm about to take that right fast. See if this is Z06 too, and yes it is. It's beautiful, man. I need this, man. Sheesh. That's crazy. I need a Z06 so damn bad. Or I'm gonna put the kit on my shit and make it look like a Z06 or a Grand Sport or whatever. Beautiful car. But we gonna go over there right now. These dudes letting it go. Damn, what's going on? Nice Bel Air, sir. I was right, this white car is a Chevelle. Look like a 68, 69. No, it's an Impala, actually, I'll take it back.
bye.
Fish right there. 79, right?
Yep.
Is he on Forgiatos? Am I tripping? Those are. Oh wow. I'm across the street this side.
I agree. I'd rather see it. Yeah, it'll be around a lot. I'm sure you guys can see it for sure. Yeah.
Customize the fuck out of this bad boy. I don't see the practicality in it, but hey, if this is what you want to buy, it's cool. I need something with a trunk no matter what and a roof, because the elements. I think it's a R31 or 32. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, it's like an R32 probably. I love that they put that shit in the wheels too. That's pretty dope. Skyline, yeah. Supra, Jag, F-Type, Honda S2000. Shit, I'ma trade my shit in. Just give me them subscribers, y'all. Please. Please do. M3 sedan. Nine 911. Really dope. And it's turbo. I'm gonna come back around. I just want to show y'all everything from like a whole point of view. And I'm gonna get up on everything.
Oh, that's a GT.
Back with the kid. Alright, so that's everything. What is this? A Grand Sport or a Stingray, right? Like I said, if I could get a Stingray again, I did it in black instead of that silver. But this is cool, man. So we got a Stingray like my shit. We got a Z06 over here on C6 rims. Fixed roof coupe. With the brake ducts. Z06, straight up badass. Maybe one day I'll get another C5, but not no time soon. Cool little bite. Like I said, this is the one I would get over the old one. It's more modern styling, comfort features just look a lot better. I like it. Oh, when I wasn't feeling so much, but this one's dope. And it is an ACR because you can tell by the canards and the badge. Now Wayne. See, this gentleman is about to leave, so we're gonna catch him rolling out. So crazy. Come from a different angle.
I want an all black one like that. I want like the 2010. No, like an all black.
That was nice. That was nice.
I was thinking the whole last car.
She's a regular SRT, but it's a different. Those are pretty cool. I didn't see those before.
I like that, and I'm never gonna get my car selling this. It's not that kind of car.
These are the only cars with vertical doors at this event, so, well, at least that I've seen, because I came late, you know, shake my head, but they got the door open, interior for you. Wow, this is crazy. And it's a 720. This is the McLaren I was talking about, ladies and gentlemen. I'll take one of these, so. I'm pretty much getting to see what we will be in eventually for the channel. Truth always reveals itself. Doors, oh, that's crazy. And that can pop up the dash. Looks really simple, but I don't think this is a factory color either. I could be wrong, probably am wrong, but shit, I like it. Performante. And the interior on these bad boys are like all octagon inspired, pretty dope. pretty dope. So we got over here earlier. I want to talk to the dude with the Z06 and all that. Meet him. That good stuff. There's a C8 over here. Let me see if I can get this right fast before my camera die. I know my camera always dying. Listen, let me see if I can get the C8 for the camera to die. I seen a white one the other day at the Chevy dealership with burgundy stripes and red guts, but this color is a little better than me. I think this is a new one with that, it's like a root beer color. I forget the name of it, but I liked it with the wing better, and I like the, you know, dual exhaust on separate sides, but I don't know. It's just, it seems like something about it. It just don't look as good as the C7, you know. Like I said, that's the reason why I didn't invest in that, but shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is yours? Oh, okay, yeah, I'm like, am I tripping? My camera tripping? Like, I'm seeing it move and do some...
It's got a good sized truck.
Yeah, it does.
This one in the front has got more than my CD, my Z06 has. What I have now.
Yeah.
What generation is the Z06 you have?